Hey guys, today we're going to be measuring angles using a protractor, okay? So on the STAR test, they're always going to give you a picture of the protractor. You don't have to worry about knowing how to use one like, with your hands. It's always going to be in a picture. You just have to be able to read it correctly. So we're going to be practicing that today. All right, so let's get started. Number one, which of the following measures or which shows the measure of, let's see, C, A, B, okay? So we're looking at that measure right there, okay? So we are going to be counting. Now, if you look closely here, let's see if I can move the camera a little bit closer. If you look closely right there, each of these is counting by fives. Okay, see how I skipped 1, 2, and this is a 10, okay, right there. So these are counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Okay? So this measures 65 degrees, which is letter C. Okay? All right, let's look at number 2. Which angle is a right angle? So now let's look at DAE. Okay, I'm gonna have to erase this. All right, so let's look at DAE right there. Okay, so again, we're going to be counting by fives here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is 25 degrees. Okay. Now let's look at CAB. All right. Oops. Okay. CAB, we already know that one. It says 65. So we can fill that one in. And the last one is CAD. So CAD right here. So we're going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So this is 90 degrees right there. Okay, so we are looking for a right angle. Okay, and a right angle has to equal exactly 90 degrees. So that means H is my answer. All right, number 3, which shows the measure of CAE to the nearest degree. Okay, so let's go back over here. We're looking at C, A, E. So that's from here all the way to here, okay? Now, there's actually two ways to do this. We can definitely count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115. So 115. Or, if you notice, we had 90 here and 25 here. So we could have added 90 plus 25, and that also gives you 115. So there's options. Okay, number 4. Which two angles have the same measure? Okay, so let's look at the first one. F, K, G. F, K, G. All right, so we're going to count from here to here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. Okay, now let's see if there's another one that's FKG. FKG. This one is FKG. So that one's also 56. This one's also GKF. Okay. Now let's check the next one. GKH. So this one right here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So that's around 65. And this is also 65. Okay, so we're looking for two angles that have the same measure. Obviously, these are not the same, so we can cross that out. Okay, another one that says, no, okay. Let's go to the next one. G, K, J. Okay, so all of this. All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 123. Okay, so this is also 123. That means those are not the same and those are not the same. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 6. And those are the same. Okay, number 5. Which two rays intersect to form an obtuse? Okay. Angle. Okay, so obtuse means is greater than 90 degrees. Okay. So let's see. KF, and KG. Okay, so this is actually acute. KJ and KH. KJ and KH, that's also acute. KF and KH. KF and KH. There it is. That's obtuse. Okay? Because 90 is right here, and that means it goes all the way past it. So this is obtuse. That's our answer. Okay, angle has a measure of 66 degrees. All right. So if we look over here, these had 65, so it has to be GKH. GKH. Here we go.